Good morning all students, how are you? Once again welcome on online classes. Now today lecture of class 9th of lecture 6. As we know, as you all know that we are going to complete the chapter 13 surface area and volume. So today lecture we will discuss how we will find out the total surface area and how we will find out the curved surface area of sphere and hemisphere. So today we will discuss exercise 13.4 of class 9. So in that exercise 13.4 completely based on the sphere and hemisphere. So first of all my question is that what is the basic difference between a circle and a sphere? Anyone can tell to me? सर्किल और स्फीयर में स्टूडेंट डिफरेंस क्या है? सो आई विल टेल टू यू. सर्किल इज ए 2-dimensional figure whereas sphere is a 3-dimensional figure. बट जनरल डिफरेंस क्या है? इफ वी कंसिडर ए प्लास्टिक बॉल एंड ए रबर बॉल, so inside the plastic ball only air is present or not? Only air is present. But if we will cut the rubber ball, then inside the rubber ball some material are present or not? Some material are present. So meaning is that in a circle inside nothing material is present, that is hollow. But in a sphere inside some material is present. Meaning is that circle is not having volume but sphere having volume. स्पेयर का वॉल्यूम होता है, सर्किल का वॉल्यूम नहीं होता. दैट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्पेयर. सो स्पेयर इज ऑल्सो ए सॉलिड फिगर. नाउ व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द स्पेयर? स्पेयर शेप लुक्स लाइक ए सर्किल. इसकी शेप भी किसकी तरह होती है? एक सर्किल की तरह होती है. But it have its cross section also. That is the radius of the sphere. So how we will find out the students its curved surface area? So क्या इसमें curved surface area present है? No. In sphere there is no curved surface area. Only present its total surface area, which is known as surface area also. तो इसमें कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना है. इन स्पेयर ओनली प्रेजेंट इट्स सरफेस एरिया और दैट इज नोन एज टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया होगा या फिर टोटल सरफेस एरिया होगा. नॉट प्रेजेंट इट्स कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो सरफेस एरिया और दैट इज नोन एज टोटल सरफेस एरिया. Of sphere is 4 pi r square, which will come either in centimeter or meter. क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर. सो सरफेस एरिया का मीनिंग क्या है? यू विल कैलकुलेट इट्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सो व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया और टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर? 4 pi r square. Now in sphere we will discuss spherical cell. Spherical cell or that is known as ring. So what did you mean by students a spherical cell or spherical ring? Spherical cell या spherical ring का मीनिंग क्या होता है? A sphere in which internal radius and external radius are different. That is known as spherical cell or spherical ring. जिसके internal radius और external radius क्या होती है? different. So that is known as spherical cell or spherical ring. So for that spherical cell or ring, let internal radius be small r and external radius be capital R. Internal radius is small r, external radius be capital R. Then thickness of cell. So what is the thickness of cell, spherical cell, is equals to external radius minus internal radius. That is the width over thickness of the spherical cell. So how we will find out the TSA of spherical cell? So spherical cell का TSA कैलकुलेट कैसे करोगे? How you will calculate? Firstly we will calculate the area of the inner part, area of the outer part, then both of them add. आप क्या करोगे? इनर रेडियस के रेस्पॉन्सिबल है इनर सरफेस एरिया, आउटर रेडियस के लिए आउटर सरफेस एरिया, देन बोथ ऑफ देम वी एड विच वी गिव्स अस टोटल सरफेस एरिया विच विल कम 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर which will come in centimeter square or meter square. So that is the total surface area of the spherical ring. So understand what did you mean by spherical ring? Spherical ring का meaning क्या होगा? A sphere in which internal radius and external radius are present. Meaning is that some thickness is present. So that is known as spherical ring or spherical cell. So example of spheres are rubber ball, then in sweet laddu also, that is in the shape of sphere. Understand? Now next we discuss some examples. Example is that find the surface area of spherical ball whose diameter is 14 centimeter. Find the surface area of the spherical ball whose diameter is given to you 14 centimeter. So directly we can solve. Here diameter is 14. So what is the radius? Diameter divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, which will come 7 centimeter. So now surface area over total surface area of the spherical ball both are same. So we calculate here surface area of spherical ball. So surface area of spherical ball is equals to 4 pi r square 4 22 by 7 7 multiply 7 cancel 88 multiply by 616 centimeter square. So surface area of spherical ball is 616 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो सरफेस एरिया क्या बनेगा आपका 616 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर फॉर्म. सेकेंड टाइप क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है? इफ देयर टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट इट्स रेडियस. तो सेकेंड टाइप क्वेश्चन देखो स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो सकता है आपका. Second type question is if total surface area of sphere is 616 centimeter square. Then find the radius of sphere. Here what is given to you? The total surface area of the sphere is 616. Then find the radius. So total surface area is 616. What we know, TSA of that is 4 pi r square 616. 4, so r square equals to 616 divide 4 multiply by pi. R square equals 616 for pi value 22 upon 7. So from here r square 616 multiply 7, 4 multiply by 22. Now cancel out 2, 3, 0, 8, 2, 154, 7. R square is equals to 49. R is equals to under root 49. So what is the value of R7? So a radius of sphere is 7 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius will come 7 centimeter. Understand? Now one more question. So students, in that question, that is reverse procedure, what? Their total surface area is given. आपको total surface area given है. Then how we will find out the radius of sphere? Next question we will discuss on spherical cell. If width of sphere is 2 centimeter and its outer radius is 3 centimeter, then find the area of spherical cell. What is given to you? The width of the sphere is 2 centimeter and its outer radius is 3 centimeter. Then find the area of the spherical cell. So to calculate the area of the spherical cell, firstly we know that here internal radius and external radius both are given on. So here width is given and outer radius is given. Here external radius R2 equals to 3 centimeter and width W is equals to 2 centimeter. So firstly we will calculate here internal radius. So internal radius R1 is equals to external radius minus width R1 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 centimeter, right? Now we calculate here area of spherical cell. So what is the area of the spherical cell? 4 pi R1 square plus R2 square, 4 22 upon 7 R1 square 1 square plus 3 square. क्या बना 4 इंटू 22 अपॉन 7 1 प्लस 9. सो एरिया और TSA इक्वल्स टू 4 22 by 7 into 10. So TSA will come 880 upon 7 centimeter square. So that is the total surface area of the spherical cell. So students, to calculate the total surface area of the spherical cell, we required internal radius as well as external radius. But in that question, width is given and its external radius is given. आपको width given है, external radius given है. So firstly, we calculate here is that what is its internal radius. इसकी internal radius क्या पहले calculate करेंगे, then after we will solve. Understand? So these are the all question which is based on surface area of the sphere. How we will calculate the surface area of the sphere. That is all question based on sphere. Now we will discuss its second part is hemisphere. Next type or next topic is hemisphere. Hemi. What does meaning of hemisphere? Hemi means half sphere. If we are divided the sphere into two equal parts, then that become the hemisphere. A sphere is given. That sphere we divided it into two equal parts. अब क्या किया है, इसी sphere को two equal parts में divide कर दिया. Then we will get the shape and downward also. So these are known as two hemisphere and that is the sphere. So these shapes are hemisphere and that is also a hemisphere. So if a sphere is cut into two equal parts, then we get the hemisphere. अगर स्पेयर को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में क्या करोगे, कट करोगे, then we get the solid is that hemisphere. Now how we will find out the curved surface area and how we will find out the total surface area. That hemisphere radius is r, that is its curved part. Curved part. So first is curved surface area of hemisphere, which is equals to 2 pi r square. Next is total surface area. So what is the total surface area of that hemisphere? Curved surface area is 2 pi r square and what is the area of that base is pi r square. So CSA plus base area. So TSA of hemisphere CSA is 2 pi r square, base area is pi r square. So total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Understand? How we obtain here, that will come in centimeter square or meter square and that also will come in centimeter square or meter square. So how we obtain the total surface area of the hemisphere from the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So TSA is equals to CSA plus base area and we know that in hemisphere its base looks like a circle. Base किसकी तरह visualize हो रहा है, एक circle की तरह. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is the total surface area. Now we will discuss next is hemispherical ring. Hemispherical ring or cell. So ring or cell, a hemisphere whose width is present, that is known as hemispherical ring. So how we are forming a hemispherical ring? Let its internal radius be r1, then that its external radius be r2, so that is known as width. So how we will find out the total surface area of the hemispherical cell? TSA of hemispherical cell. So how we will calculate? For that, width is equals to r2 minus r1, where r2 is greater than r1 or not. r2 is its external radius and r1 is its internal radius. So width क्या बनेगी? r2 minus r1. So it's TSA. How we will calculate TSA? Firstly, we will calculate here a TSA of outer part, TSA of inner part, or we can write down surface area. Write कर लो इसको, surface area. So how we will calculate surface area? Surface area of outer part, surface area of inner part, and then surface area or area of that circular ring or not. ये ring form हो रही है, ये रिंग फॉर्म हो रही है. सो हाउ विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द रिंग? एरिया ऑफ आउटर माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट हियर द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दैट वन. अब इसका देखो सरफेस एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली आउटर सरफेस एरिया, आउटर सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू 3 pi r square, but only we are calculating here that one. यही कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, तो ये क्या बनेगा? 2 pi r2 square. Second is inner surface area. So what is its inner surface area? 2 pi r1 square. And what is area of base ring? Area of base ring. So how we will find out the area of the base ring? Pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So surface area of hemispherical cell is equals to 2 pi r2 square plus 2 pi r1 square plus pi r2 square minus r1 square, which will gives us the total surface area of the hemispherical cell. So firstly outer surface area आपने कैलकुलेट कर लिया. What is its outer surface area? 2 pi r2 square. इनर सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लिया, दैट इज 2 पाई r1 स्क्वायर. नाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट हियर एरिया ऑफ दैट बेस रिंग ऑल्सो. नॉट बेस रिंग है, सो बेस रिंग फॉर्म्स और लुक्स लाइक ए कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल. एक इसकी तरह विजुअलाइज है, कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल की तरह विजुअलाइज है. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल? एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्किल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्किल. आउटर सर्किल के एरिया में से इनर सर्किल का एरिया क्या करना? आपको सबट्रैक्ट करना. सो दैट इज द फॉर्मूला टू यूज द फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फेरिकल सेल. सो इन टुडे लेक्चर वी डिस्कस all about the sphere, question based on sphere, how we will find out their total surface area. And in second part we discuss that how we will find out the curved surface area, total surface area of the hemisphere, and how we will find out the total surface area of the hemispherical cell or hemispherical array. In next lecture, lecture 7, we will discuss different examples based on hemisphere. How we will find out its TSA and how we will find out its CSA. TSA कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, CSA कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर, that we will discuss in next lecture. So today is the all about that lecture. In next lecture we will discuss example. Thank you.